In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, every human being, every human being is important. Every human being can teach us one thing or the other thing. Everyone possesses certain type of informations. Everyone is possessing certain type of knowledge or skills. So these are the things, these are the information, the knowledge, the skills which we can learn from one individual, the other individual, the third and the fourth. If at all we don't want to restrict ourselves to the interaction with a limited number of people, with a very few people, this restricting ourselves to interact with the somewhat influential people, somewhat wealthy people, are only the people with whom you do have certain necessary benefits to take from. I think that we need to learn, we need to interact, we need to learn, we need to observe, we need to think about everyone else. Although we have a very limited amount of time, a very limited amount of time, a very limited amount of energy, and the rest of the resources. Keeping this factor in view, I am not suggesting, and it is not humanly possible, to pay lot of attention to each and everyone else. It is not feasible, it is not humanly possible. But I think that one thing must be kept in mind that everybody else is important. Everybody else is actually unique. Everybody else is unique, and since everybody else is unique, that is why everybody can teach me something, everybody can let me know something which I was earlier not knowing, which I have earlier not learnt. So do not despise anyone else. Nobody, no matter how ordinary, how commoner somebody is. Again, I repeat my word that neither I am suggesting nor it is humanly possible to pay so much of the time to each and every individual. But whoever you come across, we should look upon them with the by wearing the glasses of positivity, not by wearing the glasses of prejudice, not by wearing the glasses of discrimination. We can learn one thing or the other from everyone else, from anyone else. And a case study is always important. A case study does teaches us a lot, provided we are willing to. A case study does teaches us a lot, provided we are going to be taught, provided we are going to learn, we want to learn. So every case study is important, regardless of whether somebody is so-called important person or somebody is not so-called important person, whether somebody is a special, whether somebody is a commoner. Every case study is okay. Now go to the psychologists and psychiatrists. They do not discriminate. They do look upon the life of everyone else who does come across. They look upon the lives of everyone else who does come across. They don't discriminate because they know that every case study is important. They know that everyone else is unique. Since everyone else is unique, that is why every case study is important as well. Nobody should be ignored. Nobody should be ignored. I think that everybody we come across contains certain information, knowledge, skills, etc. And it is a closed door unless we don't, I mean, as long as we don't know someone else, it is like a closed door, of a house. But once we do come across someone else, we do get an opportunity, we do get an permission to observe, to watch, to enter inside the house, although still with a limited access. We are not allowed to go everywhere else in the house as we want. No, not allowed. But still, we are once we are given the limited access, then I think so that we can learn on our own without even the permission, because they might not be telling everything else from their own mouth. They're not going to mouth, they're not going to be found mouthing it. But we can learn on our own, we can know on our own, given by utilizing the senses we have been given by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We can learn. And every person possesses certain opportunities, even the poor person, because once we talk about the poor people, once we do interact with the poor people, we can learn about them. And learning about them, it is not something useless at all, rather it is quite useful. Who says that it is useless? It is quite useful. It should not be ignored, it should not be ignored. People look upon the western people, look upon the developed people. Do they focus and concentrate upon the rich people only? No, they don't. They keep their eyes open even while looking toward the people who are not so privileged in their society, the people who are relatively poor. Not comparing with us, rather comparing with the people living in that society, in that particular society. These people are somewhat poor, but still these people are given the attention. These people are paid the attention. Why? Because the people. I'm not talking about the government agencies only. I'm talking about the general public. Even the general public does pay attention to them because they know it is worth it and it is always beneficial. So everybody we come across, nobody should be considered unimportant, nobody should be considered as a useless person, nobody should be considered as a dull person who is quite an uninteresting one. It is not so. Everybody is interesting, and everybody is interesting. Maybe whatever opinion we do make about someone else, it might not be right, it might be right. But once we keep interacting with those people, even at a very limited stage, even at a very limited level, I think that we will keep learning about those people. We will keep doing the case studies, and this is quite useful as far broadening our horizon is concerned. As far broadening our horizon is concerned, I think so. As for improving our knowledge about the humanity, about the humans, I think so that we about our own species human, I think that still we can learn a lot really. And why to miss this opportunity? Thank you, Jazakallah.